Welcome to Babai's kitchen. This is your Chef.Sankar. Today I'm going to show you a unique dish. Normally when we talk biryani, generally people think that chicken biryani, mutton biryani or vegetable biryani. But today I'm going to show you a unique mushroom biryani. For mushroom biryani, we need some, I use button mushrooms. I prefer button mushrooms. If you want to use another mushroom, you can use oyster mushrooms. And also you can use shiitake or you can use canned mushrooms also. Along with the mushrooms, I use some Indian whole spices. I have some cardamoms inside, cloves inside, bay leaves inside, some cinnamon sticks and some star anise. Okay, this is garam masala. Now I have some green coriander, some green mint. I have some yogurts, fried onions, some green chilies. Chilies you can use up to your taste, and also ginger garlic paste. For the spices powders, I have salt, cinnamon powder, little bit of turmeric, and I have also cumin powder and Kashmiri chili powder. You can use as your taste, you can use other chili powders also, but Kashmiri chili powder, it's good in color and it will manage the spices. So it's up to you. If you want to use more spice, you can add a little bit of more green chilies, or you can use as your taste. Okay, and also the desi ghee. Before you want to cook the biryani, you just soak your rice. You just soak your rice around 250 grams, as I said earlier. 250 grams rice. If you want to soak, use 250 grams rice, and the vegetable should be 250 grams. So I soak the rice before half an hour. It's already soaked and I cook later. First we will make the masala first and then we will cook the rice. It's completely a unique style, traditional Hyderabadi style biryani, but you can cook in your home kitchen. Okay, let's cook. So I just add 2 spoons of desi ghee. Desi ghee is very, very important because the ghee is very nice for biryanis. So while the pan is heating, we will put the another ingredients, all the ingredients. Okay, so we will put the mushrooms. Mushrooms is very sensitive actually. It's like sponge. Just wash and keep aside. Or if you don't want to wash, you can use a paper towel to wipe it. Okay, so we add a little bit of green coriander and 1 spoon of finely chopped mint, a little bit of a spoonful of fried onions. It's nice color, and some slitted green chili. You can add a little bit as your taste. You can add even more. And also the ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon is enough. A little bit of lemon juice and some Kashmiri chili powder so that it will give us a nice color. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and some turmeric, a bit of cinnamon powder. It's up to you. If you don't want to use a cinnamon powder, it's okay because there's already whole spices inside, so it's up to you. With salt to give a nice taste. Just mix it properly. Just mix it evenly so that it will nicely mix. If you want to cut the mushroom, you can cut it into half. Is up to you. So the masala is properly mixed. Now you can add the yogurt. Take the yogurt and finely whisk it. It's good. Just add the yogurt, around 100 ml. Normally when you cook biryani, actually if you cook chicken biryani or mutton biryani, you just marinate the meat and keep aside around half an hour so that all the spices infused inside the mutton, and later you can add the yogurt later. Normally we cook the mutton biryani, we do marinate the meat first, okay, and we keep aside for around half an hour or 1 hour, and then we add the yogurts. If you add the yogurt at the first, the masala will not go inside, it's not infused properly. So that's why we the chefs, being a chef, we do the marination first, and then half an hour, 1 hour, you can add the yogurt. So now the masala is mixed properly. Okay, I just check the salt whether it is the salt is nice. I will keep aside this masala while I boil in the water. So I put the water for boiling and then I cook together later. 250 grams rice, approximately you can add 1.5 liter of water, so that if the water is more, the rice will not get stick. So I use 250 grams, I add 1.5 liter water. So in that water, I add some garam masala as like how the original Hyderabadi biryani is made out of. Okay, I add 2 pieces of star anise, 3 pieces of cinnamon sticks, and 3 pieces of bay leaves, and I use some green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of green cardamoms, and some cloves and some shahi zira. If you don't want the garam masala in your biryani, you can later, after boiling, you can remove the garam masala. By the time all the spices, the flavors get infused in the water, you can strain if you don't want it. Okay, and also add some salt in it. In the water, the salt portion will be little salty, so that when you cook with rice, the salt it will be minimal. So add little bit of more salt. The water should be little bit salty, not too much. It's a little bit of technique. You add little bit of ghee in the water so that the rice will not stick, and also the rice cooks very nice. If you want to add some rose water in your rice, if you want the rose flavor, also you can add some rose water or some kevda water, is up to you. A little bit of coriander inside in the water, and 1 spoon of mint inside, and also 2 or 3 slices of green chili. Alright, we add all ingredients in the water. It will take time at least to 10 to 15 minutes. The water is boiled. Okay, now I can add a little bit of ginger garlic paste inside. I added all ingredients, just a bit to give a nice aroma, nice flavor in the rice. I have already the soaked rice I have, so I am mixing in it. Just add the rice. Just add the lid so that the rice will cook a little bit faster. It will take around 10 minutes to cook. Now the rice is cooked, just switch off the stove. Okay, we will strain the water. Okay, now the rice is half cooked, pre-cooked. Just add half rice in it and keep the half rice to put on the top. We have the marinated mushrooms here. For the masala, we just keep it here. Now I add a little bit of more onions inside, just nicely, and some more coriander and mint. Nicely add it and put the rest of the rice on the top. Now you can add a little bit of desi ghee on the top so that it spreads everywhere and cooks also nice. Finally add the saffron color, or if you have saffron, you can use saffron. It's up to you. You can use, you cannot use. If you want a nice color, saffron color, you can use it. Or if you don't like it, don't use it. Now we will keep the cover around 10 minutes and your biryani is going to ready. While putting on dum, you just put on a low flame so that it will cook evenly around 10 minutes. Your biryani will be ready. Don't put in a high flame, put in a low flame so that evenly it will cook, it will not get burned. If you put a high flame, it might get burned. So put your low mode. Okay, around 10 minutes. So we have a 10 minutes time for biryani. Without raita, you cannot eat. So in between this 10 minutes, you can make a nice raita. Tomato onion raita, I'm going to prepare it. For raita, I'm going to use tomato and onions. I'll make a simple tomato and onion raita. It's very nice for the biryani, mushroom biryani. Okay, I finely chop some onions. because without raita for the biryani, you're not gonna complete it. So whatever biryani you're gonna eat, for raita is compulsory. So I can add cucumber even, you can add carrots, you can add anything, any vegetables in the raita is up to you. But I'm gonna use the simple tomato and onion raita. For the spice level, if you wanna use green chilies, also you can use green chilies if you want more spicy in it, because already the biryani we add already the green chilies. So it's up to you. So I'm gonna use just one piece of green chili, a finely chopped green chilies. Okay, nicely chopped. I take it in a bowl. Now for the tomato, add the tomatoes. You can remove the seeds. Take out the seeds. So the tomato is ready. The leftover whisked yogurt from the marination is there. So I'm gonna mix all the ingredients into raita. Okay, little bit of salt, some cumin powder inside. It's an optional. If you want to add some chaat masala in it, you can add it. If you want to use some bundi, you can use it. It's up to your taste. Many variety of raitas you can make up to you. And also you can add some chopped coriander in it if you like, or if you don't like, you don't add it. So the raita will be ready and the biryani is going to ready. We're gonna taste it. Yummy. Now the biryani is ready. It's very flavorful, very tasty. We're going to open it. Just switch off the stove now. It's 10 minutes gone. Okay, just leave it for 5 minutes so that it will set, and then we are going to open it. Okay, the biryani is ready now. It's evenly, nicely cooked. We're going to add it. Just prepare it. Wow, the biryani is very nice, looks very nice, yummy. For the garnish, you can add a little bit of fried onions in it, nicely. And also you can add a little bit of chopped mint, nicely. So the biryani is ready. Let me taste it with the masala and some mushrooms in it. Very tasty. All the flavors is infused in it. I mean, it's really very good. Okay, just try in your home with the same spices. You're gonna love it.